Astile, good morning. Today, 5th August 2021 on Thursday, we have gathered here to offer needs to poor and needy people on behalf of the donor who have been living in the USA. Here are the name of the donor and the respective amount which we received from Gishitashi Dorje, Daida Shide Pontabling. Bunga Choten, near $55, Nathan Chogel Olung, near $100, Damia Ongmo, Yalmo, $50, Sonam Chilingla and Sonam Chuki, near $50, Yume Doje, New Jersey, $50, Chiling Uten, Kankar, near $100, total $450, convert Nepali rupees 47,385. Here is the list of all the expenditures as follows. Food for 193 people, 14,600, water bottle 2,500, legal charge 6,000, total amount 47,385. I extend my deep regards and gratitude towards all the respective donors who helped us in making this kind work possible. Wish a prosperous, happy life for them and their families. Thank you.